Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on Teachable. Teachable provides a robust platform for entrepreneurs to share their expertise and generate income. You can create and sell online courses, digital products, and coaching services to a global audience. The platform handles the technical aspects, from secure payment processing to content hosting, allowing you to focus on delivering valuable educational experiences and building your brand. It's a straightforward way to monetize your knowledge. To begin, focus on creating compelling content that truly helps your students. Identify a niche, then build a course with clear learning outcomes and practical lessons. Think about what problems you can solve for your audience. When pricing, consider the value you provide. Many successful courses range from $50 to several $100s. A well-structured, valuable course is the foundation of your Teachable success. Once your course is ready, effective promotion is key. Leverage social media platforms, email newsletters, and your own website to reach potential students. Teachable offers customizable sales pages to showcase your course effectively. Consider running promotions, offering early bird discounts, or creating free mini-courses to entice new learners. An affiliate program can also expand your reach by incentivizing others to promote your content for a commission. To maximize your income, consider expanding your offerings beyond a single course. Develop additional courses, coaching packages, or membership sites to create multiple revenue streams. Actively engage with your student community through forums or live Q and sessions to build loyalty and gather valuable feedback. Regularly update your course content to ensure it remains current and provides ongoing value, encouraging repeat purchases and positive word-of-mouth referrals for sustained growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.